Hey guys, it's James at the Aussie Plumber, and yes, we are finally coming to the end of summer, but what's that mean? It means that our ground temperature will start cooling down and we'll be back to having cold water again. In the winter time, we get very familiar with waiting 1 to 2 minutes for hot water to reach a shower or a certain fixture, but we have a fix for that. It's called a recirculation pump. This pump will get you hot water within 5 to 10 seconds, so you're no longer waiting around and you're no longer wasting any water. So give us a call.